say tattoos hurt. Anyone who tells you different is a fucking liar, but I'm scared of shit.
Ashes, 12 liquor 12 kilos, pussy most.
Alright, so with an awesome week this week. We got to have a chance to power the Nelk boys. And it was awesome. It was a good time. They're real fucking people. Everything you see in the video, they're just like their videos. There's no fake shit. And it was such a good time. That's why I had a full set to my collection. I have Money Over Bitches. We're not here for a long time. We're here for a good time. And then some family ones. It's for the family. So let's just add full send to the collection and then let's send it.
It should be like turned more horizontal then. Or it could be like hidden. Okay, fair. Yeah.
Wow. Surprise is happening. I'm so excited.
Are you really surprised it's happening? No,
It's really not that exciting to watch.
I'm your fucking brother.
Yo, James.
Yo.
You want to do me a favor, bro?
I'll do you any favor.
Go shave your leg.
Wait. What?
Yeah, you have to shave. What do you mean? You have
Not
to
the
shave.
whole leg, just the area we're tattooing, bro.
What?
You did not.
Can you run out a shave?
How do you not know that?
Can you run out a
brand new.
shave?
He brought shave.
Oh, you brought it.
Just like.
Gemma, can you shave me so it's not gay?
Yeah, sure.
I don't shave me.
And bro, do you have any non-scented liquid hand
I
soap?
don't know, but where should she shave me? Like,
You need to put water on it and soap. Like shave it.
not like that?
Not
You want me
dry
to-
shave.
you want me to-
You're gonna, if you do it dry, you're gonna irritate the
You want me to
skin.
nut on it for you? Sorry, that was mad gay. I'm sorry. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that was mad gay, bro. I'm sorry.
We don't usually do dumb shit unless it's day ending in Y. But
Bro.
honestly,
The fuck?
this man put safety first. So he left the crack and heroin needles at home. The needles with AIDS you throw away. So, yeah, bro, the man literally put his glasses back in the car after telling me he can't see. But that's fine because he told me the needles he has today only have gonorrhea and we can get rid of that.
Bro,
So we
why
not
are
care.
you actually a menace?
Yeah.
Bro? No, this kid is actually fucking whack, bro. I mean, I wasn't buying it. It's not my
we
money.
get everything. Guys, this is Gidzilla.
What's up?
This is What's the Dealio. Let me show you his first two tattoos he's ever done.
That's the Om. And then
That's a McDicks.
Bro, you guys
Got
are
French
actually,
fries.
you guys are actually mad retarded.
We are.
contradicting ideologies. But I've improved a lot since then. I've improved a little since then. I don't want to say a lot. But I forgot my pencil, so I'm just going to freehand the design onto it. So hopefully it's just as good.
More. Oh,
The leg is here than you thought, eh? You can see my ass.
Okay, but like,
yeah, it's all of this
you
is
can
not.
see the difference.
Do it here.
Where's the tattoo?
Up until here. Just
Where's
shave
the
all.
tattoo going?
Just shave all the way up until here.
Right,
Where's the tattoo going?
right here. It's just gonna cross.
So I'm doing
No, do it in the meat though.
No.
Don't do a butt touch up.
Hold on.
The part
Yeah, I know. We're gonna touch it up.
What are you doing? What are you doing that for?
That just made my day.
Bro.
Of course, Toby's farting.
You said that like 10 hours ago, though,
No,
bro.
he was at dinner with his mom, and you know, no matter what you do, no matter how fucked you are in your head like me, you have to make sure you love your parents and respect your parents. So,
Fact.
family is everything.
As long as your parents are good to you and your parents love you. If your parents are fucked up,
No, you have three parents good.
The pops.
This is wild.
love the people who love you, eh?
You've been saying A a lot since you know we part with Nelk, eh?
No, I actually say A since I moved to college and started watching the Nelk boys. So
I honestly I just wanted to fuck around and say yes. So we'll cut this out and redo it. Yo, you just been saying,
I'm basically Canadian, eh? Fucking hell, buddy. Fucking hell, buddy.
Straight. I just hope that this won't wipe off. I'm gonna let it dry for a second.
You say all the right things.
I know how to make you feel confident.
but I honestly just don't give a fuck. I've wanted,
I've explained
No,
to him a million
look,
times that I don't know what I'm
look.
doing, but
Yo, full disclosure, this is my first tattoo ever.
yo, should I take a shot? It's gonna ruin
James's tattoo artist wants to do a shot, so we're gonna pour him a shot.
We're gonna get this man a shot. Where'd you get that hoodie from, buddy?
MadlyPar.com, baby.
Part.com.
Alright, where is this fucking shot glass? There was one out here. Oh, lovely. Let's wash this.
Alright.
Little wash in there.
Oh, there's a moth on there. Yo, wow. Yo, get away.
Get away.
Yo, get away.
Time to run.
KFC.
Little KFC there.
Alright, this guy said he wants some vodka, so.
Send us for a little small one.
So we're gonna pour him a big one. Because,
Naturally.
I mean,
What are we drinking tonight?
a little Stolichnaya vodka. Small shot of vodka is a small shot of freezing vodka. I mean, I fucked that shit up. Small shot of hot vodka is basically the same as a big shot of cold vodka. So basically,
It like squirts out.
same difference. You can pour it out if you want.
Let's go.
It is what it is. Honestly,
I might have forgotten where you said you got your hoodie at. I didn't realize there's muscle here.
Yeah.
I think the website is called nattipar.com. Got you a small shot.
Hold on.
It's like 4 ounces, bro.
Wait, are you doing that shit? Wait, your eyes are pretty.
Yo, hold on.
Pictures of that?
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on.
Wait.
Yo, pause.
Wait a minute.
Pause. Pause.
Pause.
Bro,
Hey, yo!
Hey, yo.
bro, you're saying pause, okay? I look like Aki seed,
For
bro.
real.
Like, yo, look at that. Yo, them nice, though.
Bro, this guy actually said Aki seed, bro. Pop that up.
No, bro, that's nice.
What about mine?
We're not talking about you're so selfish.
Richie, we need to figure
No, obviously, bro. What do you mean I'm selfish? I'm trying to get bitches as well. The fuck?
Hey, yo, can you play that song? Hey, the better Macarena. You know what I'm talking about?
This guy.
No,
You know the
bro.
song? You know it.
There's about 10 different Macarena songs, bro.
Hey, the better Macarena. Hey, you know the song. Hey,
I'm 90% sure I know the song, and I'm 90% sure it doesn't say Macarena.
I'm 60%.
I feel like you're talking about PayPass.
Okay,
I'm
PayPass, eh?
you're gonna go like this. And you're gonna
Don't do that to me. You're my brother.
And I'm gonna tell you, I'm 69%.
Alright, go
sure
get the
with
tattoo.
your girl that it's hey, no, Macarena. Hey,
Yeah, honestly, I'm actually 100% sure what song you're talking about, and I'm 100% sure it does not have Macarena in there.
So you guys missed a little dilemma.
Yeah, Richie, we need your opinion.
You said it's the wrong spot.
It definitely is. Definitely
Yo,
is.
honestly,
Bro, I was thinking here.
figure this out.
Yeah.
Up here, no?
Because look what happens when he...
We've had a few technical difficulties. I'm cool with anything, but it's his art, so I want it to be as perfect as possible for him. So we'll retry it one last time. If it's not to perfection, we're just going to go do it, alright? Road. Let's go. It's been a while, so I need Gids. Let's get ready.
I'm a little rusty, so a little something to steady the nerves.
I'm on a diet.
a little full send.
I saw the bucket.
Yeah, that'll do it.
On the grass.
Oh.
Let's get it going.
I'm so scared of needles.
Bro, honestly, this is the definition of full send.
Bro.
Yeah, it doesn't get worse than that.
She's like, yo, you
Alright, are you ready, bro? I'm making first incision.
You're like, I fucking hate you.
I'm nervous. Are you ready, bro?
No, hold on. Where's my bear? I'm scared of needles. Fuck it.
Why are you scared of me?
Alright, you ready, bro? I'm starting.
Hold up.
Here goes nothing. I don't know what I'm doing.
It's officially started. How you feeling?
Honestly, tattoos hurt. Anyone who tells you different is a fucking liar, but I'm scared of shit. Yeah.
I thought the tattoo gun made a more of a noise, no?
This is a modern one.
Yeah, bitch.
My bad, bro.
I'm just saying that shit from 1990, bro.
My bad, bro.
You're probably out there getting tattoos in the hood.
Yo, can you play Tattoo Time Come By?
Yeah, that will not have a copyright.
It definitely will, but
Definitely will.
pretty like a
Tattoo like dirt, me no wear shirt, eat a gal in the dirt. What?
Not one. I've literally been here for like a couple hours. To make this worse is if you dance, so you should do it.
Bro, imagine the man start dancing, see two big line cross him leg. Bro, this is the wildest thing I've ever seen.
I might get some heavy power on the other leg.
Yo, Gideon. That is wild, bro.
No question for the vlog. Alright, you ready for the question?
Ready for the question?
Do you remember your first blowjob?
I actually do not.
Oh. No, you got saved. I
remember mine if you want to hear
Hold
about it.
Hold on. Do you remember your first blowjob?
Yeah.
How did it taste? Hey! That's the
Salted.
that's the line. That's the line. Look out for that in Tory, what that? Look out for that in what? January?
Look out for that in 2023.
So, what are we going to actually tell about the story though?
About the tattooing or the blowjob?
Are we doing it? Look at that.
Alright, so I'm good with it. Do you enjoy it? I mean, not enjoy it. Are you happy with it?
I love it.
So I was a little bit nervous to begin with. Not nervous, but I didn't know. So I forgot my stencil paper. Which before I came here, we designed out on the computer like how we were gonna do it, and I forgot the stencil paper. So I had to by hand draw it in, but it worked out because I wanted a kind of hand-drawn style anyway. I don't know what he wanted, but that's kind of irrelevant because it was more about what I wanted. But I think all in all, it kind of worked out. The lines are solid. You know, for a beginner, I think it's not that bad.
Yeah. I mean, the lines are fucking sick. I need to make money on YouTube so I can afford one of these.
We're going tequila?
We only shot tequila.
The Don Julie, straight from the back.
Oh wait, I actually swore. Hey squad, thank you for watching the videos. Big up yourself. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
Walk squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.